Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, March 18th, 2014. It's now 1:29 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets had a follow-through up day, but they did close off of their highs. The S&P closed up again. Price remains in the uptrend channel. Support is at 1723 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 1887 as seen by the pink oval. The US dollar closed up slightly, but it still closed below the support line at 21.32 for the fourth day in a row. The US dollar remains in the downtrend channel highlighted by the red dashed lines. The next support level is at 20.84. Resistance is at 21.96 as seen by the pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Tuesday, March 18th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There's one strong currency and three weak currencies. There are three qualified pairs: the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, the pound New Zealand dollar, and the New Zealand US dollar. Here's our trade summary chart for March. For open trades, our Euro US dollar trade remains open and we're long 4 micros. Target number 1 is 1.3995 and our stop loss is at 1.3823. As for new orders, there aren't any new orders today. Let's first look at the price chart of our open trade on the Euro US dollar. As you can see, we're long 4 micros at 1.3925. Target number 1 is 1.3995 and our stop loss is at 1.3823. Let's now look at the price charts for our 3 qualified pairs. Here's the New Zealand Canadian dollar. Price has been in a medium-term uptrend channel, and today price broke through the top of that channel. This would be a bullish trade. Here's the pound New Zealand dollar. Price has been in a medium-term uptrend channel, but it broke through the bottom and is continuing down. This would be a bearish trade. And here's the New Zealand US dollar. Price had been going in a sideways channel. It broke through the top and is continuing higher. This would be a bullish trade. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please listen to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request a free trading guide. My podcasts are being carried on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Selecting a Financial Instrument to Trade. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review. 2, review of the 2 indexes. 3, background on the ADX indicator. 4, determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are 2 indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7, and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.